girl?
Who is in the garden?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh, yeah, no, ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Oh, yeah, no, ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Neka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Ini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini nafyo.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini nafyo.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wake marama.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Wake marama.
Mwere kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mwere kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Emeka.
A fine boy.
Chukuma.
A fine boy.
Ikenna.
A fine boy.
Chibike.
A fine boy.
David.
A fine boy.
Kenneth.
A fine boy.
Brian.
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini nafyo.
Oh yeah.
Agini neme.
Oh yeah.
Agini nafyo.
Oh yeah.
Egu. Dance. Kwa. Ayo. Eje. Umata, umata. So Kids TV.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey. Umaki them. Kagutu no bere. Hello, kids. It's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Any nafio.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Any nafio. Who is in the garden?
A little fine girl.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Oh yeah, no ni mabubo.
Why, marama?
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Mweri kifuya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Neka.
A fine girl.
Ijoma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Any name.
Oh yeah.
Agini nafyo.
Oh yeah.
Agini name.
Oh yeah.
Agini nafyo.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, ụmụaka ibe m, ka anyị gụtụ n'obere ego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oye no n'ime ọbụbọ.
Nwa nwanyị mara mma.
Oye no n'ime ọbụbọ.
Nwa nwanyị mara mma.
Nwere ike ịfụ ya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Nwere ike ịfụ ya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Nneka.
A fine girl.
Ijeọma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oye no n'ime ọbụbọ.
Nwa nwoke mara mma.
Oye no n'ime ọbụbọ.
Nwa nwoke mara mma.
Nwere ike ịfụ ya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Nwere ike ịfụ ya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Emeka.
A fine boy.
Chukwuma.
A fine boy.
Ikenna.
A fine boy.
Chibuike.
A fine boy.
David.
A fine boy.
Kenneth.
A fine boy.
Brian.
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Ogini neme.
Oh yeah.
Ogini napio.
Oh yeah.
Ogini neme.
Oh yeah.
Ogini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egwu. Dance. Nkwa. Oyo. Ije. Ụmụaka, ụmụaka. So Kids TV.
Hello kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, ụmụaka ibe m, ka anyị gụtụ n'obere ego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oye no n'ime ọbụbọ.
Nwa nwanyị mara mma.
Oye no n'ime ọbụbọ.
Nwa nwanyị mara mma.
Nwere ike ịfụ ya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Nwere ike ịfụ ya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Nneka.
A fine girl.
Ijeọma.
A fine girl.
Amaka.
A fine girl.
Ngozi.
A fine girl.
Vivian.
A fine girl.
Linda.
A fine girl.
Emma.
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme.
Oh yeah.
Gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oye no n'ime ọbụbọ.
Nwa nwoke mara mma.
Oye no n'ime ọbụbọ.
Nwa nwoke mara mma.
Nwere ike ịfụ ya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Nwere ike ịfụ ya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Emeka.
A fine boy.
Chukwuma.
A fine boy.
Ikenna.
A fine boy.
Chibuike.
A fine boy.
David.
A fine boy.
Kenneth.
A fine boy.
Brian.
A fine boy.
Daniel.
A fine boy.
Boys, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
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 Ogini neme.
Oh yeah.
Ogini napio.
Oh yeah.
Ogini neme.
Oh yeah.
Ogini napio.
Oh yeah.
Egwu. Dance. Nkwa. Oyo. Ije. Ụmụaka, ụmụaka. So Kids TV.
Hello kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, nwa aka ibe m, ka anyị gụtụ n'obere ego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah, boys oh yeah, girls oh yeah, girls oh yeah. Gini neme, gini napio, gini neme, gini napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oye no ni mabubo.
Wawa imarama.
Oye no ni.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Who is in the garden?
A little fine boy.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see him?
No, 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 no.
Oh, you know him, Wabubo.
Wawa imarama.
Oh, you know him, Wabubo.
Wawa imarama.
When it keep for ya.
Bam, 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 bam.
When it keep for ya.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi, everyone. Come join the fun.
Hey, nwa aka ibe m, ka anyị gụtụ n'obere ego. Hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme,
Oh yeah.
gini napio,
Oh yeah.
gini neme,
Oh yeah.
gini napio. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Can I come and see her?
No, 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 no.
Oye no ni mabubo.
Wawa imarama.
Oye no ni mabubo.
Wawa imarama.
Nwere ike ịfụ ya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Nwere ike ịfụ ya.
Bam, 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 bam.
Nneka,
A fine girl.
Ijeọma,
A fine girl.
Amaka,
A fine girl.
Ngozi,
A fine girl.
Vivian,
A fine girl.
Linda,
A fine girl.
Emma,
A fine girl.
Bella.
A fine girl.
Yes, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Girls, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Gini neme,
Oh yeah.
gini napio,
Oh yeah.
gini neme,
Oh yeah.
gini napio.
Oh yeah.
Hello, kids. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone, come join the fun.
Hey, hello kids, it's time to play. Boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
boys oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
girls oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
In and them,
Oh yeah.
in and up yo.
Oh yeah.
In and them,
Oh yeah.
in and up yo. Who is it regarding?
A little fine girl.
Who is it regarding?
And this is how we spell Monday. You know, guys, is superior. Monday. Then Tuesday, ga bugini. Ụbọchị Tuesday. Ụbọchị Tuesday. Detuo ya. Ụbọchị Tuesday. So ụbọchị Tuesday. Then ụbọchị Wednesday. You guys say that there. Score. You guys say that there. Wednesday. Then there were ụbọchị Thursday. Third pieces and O with a dot. Thursday. Ụbọchị Friday. And then what ụbọchị Saturday. Ụbọchị Sunday. And yeah, otu aka esi edepụta days of the week. You have to write what I'm writing here. Once you write, idecha ụbọchị day, under ụbọchị day, ihe aka ị ga-ede. After writing ụbọchị day, maka na ana m ede ihe n'elu na-afụ na anya gị na-aga na screen. Zikọrọ. Iruo na ụbọchị day, idepụtacha, iweterezie ime atụ ya, wee ruo na Sunday, iwedepụta na ya. Onye ruo Sunday ka ọ sị m edechala m. You are writing the wrong thing. I said when you write to this place, you now write this. You are not meant to write all this yet. To get you confused. So I'm not wasting my time writing this. So you are meant to do ụbọchị Monday, ụbọchị Tuesday, ụbọchị Wednesday, ụbọchị Thursday, ụbọchị Friday, ụbọchị Saturday, ụbọchị Sunday. After that, you now enter to ụbọchị taa. Yes, follow me. Don't go faster than me. Yes. Don't go faster than me. We'll take it one step at a time because we have side notes to everything. Chidera, idechala ihe nọ na board. Idechala nke a. I'm charged with dinner day here. We do this made day here. What then or siso. But let's be fast. The tuna said the chala, the chala. The chala's quarrel. The chala, you don't want it. Tell for Robert when it's a little bit. You see, offer Robert, say that. I must say so. Una dechala. Alright, dechala. Dechala nka. Si Choma dechala nka. Ngwa nke na-esote ya bụrụ ụbọchị taa maọbụ taa, today. Ụbọchị taa maọbụ taa bụ gịnị? Today. Gbadetuo ya. Write it down, is detuo ya. Ego ya. Ụbọchị taa, today. Onye dechosi medechala. Then ụnyaahụ, yesterday. Kwụọnụ ụbọchị taa mba tupu anyị agawa ka anyị gụọ nke a. Can we say it? Ụbọchị Monday, let's do it. Want to go? You don't speak out, you don't speak the language. You will just speak out and make mistakes. Let me correct you. I love mistakes because nobody is perfect. Nke na-esote ya bụrụzie ụbọchị taa. Kwụọnụ ụbọchị taa. Ụbọchị taa abụrụ today. Nke na-esote ya bụrụ ụnyaahụ, yesterday. Can you say that? Ụnyaahụ, yesterday. O nwekwa ndị na-asị echi gara aga. Ụnyaahụ bụ yesterday, right? E nwekwa ndị na-asị for yesterday. Gara aga is a past marker. Gara aga means past. Can we say gara aga? Gara aga. So write it down. Detuo ya. Gara aga. Gara aga means past. Okay? So can you get equal past or last? Just like you said last Tuesday. Past or last. Gara aga. So how would you say last Monday? The gara aga comes last. Monday gara aga. Can you get equal last Tuesday? Again. Don't say agaraga. Garaga. Good job. Can you get equal last Thursday? Good. Can you get equal last Sunday? Much Sunday garaga, but we see Sunday garaga. So garaga is a past marker. Now, ụnyaahụ na-abụkwa yesterday. Mana ọ nwekwa ndị na-asị echi gara aga. Another way of saying yesterday bụ echi gara aga. So before we say echi gara aga, echi can also be tomorrow, but to say past, like yesterday, just the way we've written ụnyaahụ, you can just put a slash. Ụnyaahụ, yesterday, you can put maọbụ is a slash. You see maọbụ echi gara aga. Gara aga. Echi means tomorrow, so past tomorrow, that's how we put it. Can you put a slash and write what I just wrote? Echi gara aga. It's used mostly by the Imo State. Echi gara aga. Some would even say ụbọchị gara aga. Ụbọchị gara aga. This one is even closer. Ụbọchị gara aga. Ụbọchị gara aga. Ụbọchị gara aga. Can we say ụbọchị gara aga? Yes, you can see it here. Ụnyaahụ, ụbọchị gara aga. Well, wait, that's here. It's a chance. That's here. So, Monday ụnyaahụ, 2 days ago, like day before yesterday. You know how to say it? Day before yesterday, you say Monday ụnyaahụ. It means yesterday's sibling. You remember sibling is one name. So can we say Monday ụnyaahụ? Another one you could say one day echi gara aga, you write one day. Another one, right? Then one day ubochi gara aga. Can you do that? But you write it down. You put this one day, you write this one day unyahu 2 days ago. You still write one day echi gara aga. That's 2 days ago. You can still write one day ubochi gara aga. But that's where I'll see so. Alright, you confusing me some help? No. That's it. Continue that to do that. So ịga-ahụ na ebe a anyị si gara aga means past, is a past marker. And then na-abịa abịa is a future marker. So you want to say next Monday. You say na-abịa abịa, but finish writing the gara aga. Once you're done with gara aga, this is the challenge. Ana m check on the Chachoma, you don't write all these things I wrote. The gara aga, echi gara aga, ubochi gara aga. You know we are meant to write one day. You write one day. You put one day nyahu. Then you also write one day echi gara aga. Then you also write. You're going to use it in your sentences. You better do what I say, so that when it's time to make sentences, you'll be very proud of yourself. Don't say this woman is just repeating these things for no. We are making sentences. If you don't follow me, you get stuck on the road tomorrow or next. So follow me the way we're going, so you can make sentences. So what we are doing, we are just building bridges. That's what we are doing now. It looks like we don't know what we're doing, but we know. So we are trying to talk about time. Because you're going to say something like, Mommy, I want to eat rice tomorrow. Can I do it next week? That's what we're trying to build up. So we're talking about time now. So one day echi gara aga, one day ubochi gara aga. We have also written one day unyahu. Now write this thing down. To write gara aga means past marker. Can you say that? Na-abịa abịa means future marker. Okay, so if we want to say yesterday, we say ụbọchị gara aga. If we want to say tomorrow, how are we going to say it? If we want to say yesterday, I will say ụbọchị gara aga. So to say tomorrow be what? Good job, baby. Ụbọchị na-abịa abịa. That's why we wrote na-abịa abịa is a future marker. So write it. So the coming Monday, the coming Tuesday. You don't write it, let's go to the next. No time. Let's go. So can we go to this? Let's go right there. So is week. Everybody say it. Is week. Is week. How would you say 1 week? You have to say it the way. 1 week. Write it down. 1 week. Oh, too easy. Example, write it down. 1 week. Oh, too easy. Now, to say 2 weeks, when you are counting something and it goes more than one, the number will go after the word. So how would you say 2 weeks? Good job. Izu abuo. Write it down. 2 weeks. Izu abuo. Whenever you are counting anything, if it's 1, you will say 1 before the item. But once it is more than 1, you say the item before 1. So here is afo mobu. See nafo. Nafo in the year. So how would you say 2026? You can say, if you're making a sentence, you put it as in now for 2026, or you say for 2026. You take off this N, this, and you write for here. Then in the morning, n'ụtụtụ. Can we say n'ụtụtụ? Chidera, speak out. N'ụtụtụ. N'ehihie. Na mgbede. N'abalị. In the Igbo culture, we have, in the Igbo calendar, we have 4 market days. We don't use, these ones are Western time, this tomorrow. In the Igbo culture, Chidera, Chioma, you here? We have 4 market days. Write it down. 4 Igbo market days. 4 Igbo what? Market. When you get to your village, you hear it. Market days. As you go, you get to the market days. Do you know the 4 market days? We have Eke. That's what, yeah. We have Ori. We have Afo. And we have what? Nkwo. Can we say the 4 market days? Everybody read. Stop writing. Stop writing. Eke. Ori. Afo. Nkwo. Again. Afo. Nkwo. Eke. Orie. Afo. Nkwo. Okay. If you don't write in that, please say the channel. You don't write in that one. So the next, if you're not writing, you say the channel. There are the 4 market days. Can we hear them? Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. Choma idechala. Choma idechala. What in your pronouns? Can they pronouns? Can I pronouns quickly? Itile. Okay, the next one was it nnochiaha pronouns. Oh yeah. Nnochiaha pronouns. Nkembu, when you're counting in Igbo to number your book, you say Nkembu. But this one will be Nke Abuo, Nke Ato, Nke Ano. Did you see what I just showed you? Nkembu, but you know one is Otu. You don't say Nkotu, you say Nkembu, Nke Abuo, Nke Ato. So once we write this one now, we're done. So Amobu I say it. This slash is more, but Chioma, you just like writing, and I don't like it. Learn to say the word, and then you now write. Okay? Writing is very, very good, but learn to say it is more important. Amobu I. Mmobu mumi. Mmobu mumai. Gi you. Gi you. Gi your. Mobu o he she it. Mobu, this is mobu. This is mobu. It's actually ma or bu, but we shorten it to mobu, which is or. Okay? Mobu o he she it. Oh yeah. He she it. Yeah. Him or it his. Him or it his. You don't know, yeah? Let's go. Yeah. Him or it his. Anyị.
Anyị.
We, us, our.
We, us, our.
Ha. They, them, their.
They, them, their.
Niile.
Niile.
All.
All.
So these are just the introductory pronouns you're doing. You can write them down.
Facing the one from God.
Finish writing and you say the chalam. You want you to scroll up or down? Up.
Like this. We are number 1.
Okay, go all the way to number 1. No. See, edecha lam or edecha gom. Everybody is going to read the verbs. Onye ọbụla ga-agụ verbs. Mr. Charles, wepụ the pronouns na screen. Onye ọbụla ga-agụ pronouns ọ dere n'akwụkwọ ya. Ngwa Chidera bido. Ọ bụkwa a maọbụ bido na isiokwu si nnọchi aha ngwa let's go. A maọbụ maọbụ mụ.
maọbụ m maọbụ mụ, gị, you, gị, yo, ọ maọbụ o.
Ọ maọbụ o.
Ọ maọbụ he, she, it, ya, him, her, it,
Anyị.
we, us, ha, they, them, niile.
Jisie ike kụọrọnụ ya aka. Nnadị akụ aka kpam 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 kụọrọnụ ya aka. Jisie ike ngwa gụọ nke gị. Mba, ị ga-ebido na isiokwu nnọchiaha.
Yo. Yeah. Him, her, it. I, we, us, our. They, them, their. Ele, oh.
Kụọrọnụ ya aka. Chioma ngwa gụọ. A maọbụ mba, a maọbụ e. Gịnị bụ a maọbụ e? What does it mean? Good job, baby. Mụ. Me.
My. He, you. He, yours.
Your.
Your. O, O, he, she, it. Ya.
Ọ maọbụ o. The O with the dot underneath is ọ.
O, he, she, it. Ya. Him.
No, honey. Ya, him, her, it, that.
Ya. Ya.
No, ya.
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 Good job. Again.
Ya. Him, her. Anyị.
Anyị.
Anyị. We, us, our. Ha. They, them, their. Niile.
Niile.
Niile. All.
Good job, baby girl. Kụọrọnụ ya aka. Ngwa, zikọrọ ka ọ gụọ, zikọrọ gụọ. Ị ga-asị nnọchiaha pronoun.
Nnọchiaha pronoun. A maọbụ e is I.
Don't say which means, just put I.
Maọbụ mụ.
Maọbụ mụ.
Maọbụ mụ. Mụ. Maọbụ mụ. My. He, you. He, your. O, or.
Mba, o maọbụ ọ. Depending on which one comes first. Which one is the one with the dot underneath? Ọ maọbụ o.
Ọ maọbụ o. He, she, it. Ha.
Ha.
Him, her, it, is. Anyị.
Anyị.
Anyị. He, us, our. Ha.
Ha.
They, them, their. Meal of.
Niile.
Niile of.
Good, we are going to take a recess. Okay? Ugbu a anyị ga-aga zuo ike. Unu agbalịala. Anyị bata, anyị ga-eleba anya na household properties. And then anyị elebakwa anya na the verbs, how to pronounce the verbs. Okay? Jisie ike. Ngwa ka ikpe ekpere, ọ bụ n'aha Jizọs. Onye nwe anyị nara ekele maka ụbọchị taa. Daalụ maka ihe mmụta anyị n'aha Jizọs. Amen. Daalụ. Ngwa ka ọ dị mgbe anyị ga-abata maka klaasị nke abụọ. Choma, who has this one? Are you sure this is not my phone? You gave me. Let's see, if you write to
Round call my sleeper. Welcome. Get your tab on your phone there. Listen it.
Yes.
No, that's what Shekina. First chair is there. Sit and get your phone.
Next time.
Go and rest. When it's lunchtime, we'll let you know.
Let me do this.
What else?
I said we should talk about it.
You should come back when? Okay. Your room is downstairs. What's your one?
Not wearing insults. It's because not too much.
My mom likes to
My dear, oh, not be small. All this our mommy. God will bless them. Little baby.
Three months. No, like.
No, she's playing snooker.
Okay, when working. Give me my tea, give me my tea.
Can I move?
You can move.
Okay.
What's his name?
Kion.
Yeah.
Oluwatobi.
Oluwatobi. Kion, Leon, Mayon, Tara, Mira, Para, Cora. Let us know what we do. God is good.
Chinenye is Igbo name. I mean, they call. I don't forget.
Yeah, Igbo is
My mother-in-law.
Chinenye, you are Igbo camp. So buy a photo. Igbo summer camp for Chinenye. Enye. Oluwa, Tobi, Oluwa, Tobi. What time now they call you T-boy?
Yes.
I know how the thing works. The next thing is T-boy. Instead of me to leave her, asking her, do you need anything? I know she definitely needs something. My baby, you will eat swallow today. Very delicious soup. Ó fẹ́ tọrọ ọ̀tọ̀. Nígbà yẹn wọ́n fẹ́ tọrọ ọ̀tọ̀. Kí ni wọ́n fẹ́ tọrọ ọ̀tọ̀? Delicious soup. Sí, ó fẹ́ tọrọ ọ̀tọ̀. Tóbi, wá jẹun. I'm drinking tea, you're licking mouth on my behalf.
Toby.
Handsome boy.
Does it look like me? No.
I don't know. Children can change their faces like 70 times before they go.
Okay.
There's hope. My sister had a son. He usually looks like his daddy. At a point looked like the mommy. At a point looked like my father. At a point looked like his grandmother. Before I now went back and settled with his father's face. Thank you, Tara. So he used to select people to carry him.
His father carry him here. Everybody will hear his voice.
He's holding him to them.
Maybe, I don't know. Even the nanny, that first nanny, was always crying. Cry. I was just crying.
So babies are human. Sometimes you need to get bad.
That's what it is. Maybe they use that. Yeah,
They will bring him to out of fear so it doesn't fall off.
Yes.
You're ready.
Oh.
I didn't check it.
Then go and learn about the kitchen. And after that, you now eat a soup. Delicious. Shekina,
Yes, ma.
the soup, make sure you answer all the questions.
You give your.
Uncle Kezie, only that you get your candy.
Can you see happy party today?
Party. So we need to advertise for my books I made.
Okay.
You saw those beautiful books.
Yes.
India say Laila and
You can't use no. You can't do this very fast.
I beg this young man. I beg you. He said Laila.
Too even. There's a thing in Nigeria. They like flashy things.
Who are you? How old is he?
It's 2 months and 2 weeks.
And grandma left you.
Grandma don't. Papa don't want.
Where is grandma living? Where is she living?
Edo State. Fuga. After being very far.
When he was shouting, he said, come back.
My daddy said you should come back for me. So I need somebody that will cook for him. It's not
So that means we were going to do online on Igbo.
Yeah.
Chiamaka, oya put the pepper inside the pepper soup. When we have our own grandchildren.
Yeah, so because how you get you will be able to cook it when you go. Good afternoon.
Maybe it's so pretty.
Thank you.
Say some boy. Again.
So when he start crying now, I think I will not cry. Let me just quickly do this makeup.
He's enjoying my
Yes,
idea. My name is William Azia. I'm the head of Kpakpando Language Hub.
When you have a little book,
That background it wanted to be translated. Yeah, now organize things to go down. Get all these things. Get the hands to here. So, we have to when they are finished with it. We now do I should do makeup while you are doing now. Mommy should sing and make it very nice. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Oh, back. Hey.
I cannot believe.
Bam, say I love Mommy Chinwe's spirit. She has a beautiful
I
spirit.
think that's this one can select.
Oh yeah. Yes. And tell Mommy that Grandma has gone, so you're not a big. Please.
I hope so.
The bamba. Oh yeah. So you can see your mommy is about to walk. See your mommy.
Papa, when they look like this,
Say, let Mommy Chinwe be my nanny.
we cannot afford.
Say, let her be my nanny.
One is even waiting for me at home now for interview. Just keep trying. I don't
You
know.
know, when I got tired, was when I finally went and carried my husband's sister's son. This boy, I got him at the age of 8. I was doing house help. I trained this boy till he's 12 now. This boy got away from my husband. She asked me, I want my uncle to pursue them. Let me be a child.
You don't mean it.
I don't know what is going on.
So what will you be doing with it? I say I was just telling my mom, I don't see that I can cook myself. I'm only the one that took care of my sister's children.
That's part of business. I'm not getting people outside.
Yeah, so anytime I like, I go to work. I select work, one that those people don't cry here. Don't disgrace yourself.
What you see? I told you now, you are pressing him. He doesn't want.
He does not have a choice. Since I will be doing it. Because that is the
They are demonic.
the dad is the one that brought himself
That's where you get
to work. He said I should stay at home for 4 months. Sorry. 4 months stay. I don't feel to. I can't even try it. Every time you ask me for money, you not look crazy. Then they start doing anyhow. Yes. Use you for this.
Yes, money.
Yes, money is
when you be in a relationship, better you have your own money.
He knows now that I cannot stay. So he's already saying that this.
Brother, don't be leaving us now.
Hey, so sorry.
Is he saying?
Yes, it is.
How was the event?
I know. It's better than last week.
Very fun. Next year is better than this one.